All right, guys, Kirsty, move. So we are at a place.
Oh, you can hear it.
Yeah, we are at the hospital, like last video, and we are doing a storm review. Wow, storms, so cool, storms. Storms. Look at that. You can't really see because I don't want to go outside, but it's really dark outside. It's cool. I'll try to go outside next scene. Okay, look at that. Wow, amazing. Severe, very severe. Wow. Oh, it's raining hard. Thunder. Okay, no. Yo, it worked. Let's go. Oh, more. Yep, it's raining pretty hard. Pretty hard rain, pretty raining hard. Yeah.